Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix could not create account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So the first method is update iOS version. Apple releases updates to address bugs and issues that could interfere with account creation. Older versions of iOS may have glitches that prevent creating an account. Method number 2 is check your connectivity. Creating an account requires communication with Apple servers, which is only possible if your device is connected to the internet. If your network connection is weak or unstable, your device may not be able to properly communicate with Apple's service, leading to the error. Method number 3 is restart your phone. Restarting your device clears out any minor software bugs or glitches that might be interfering with the account creation process. For method number 4 is to reset your network settings. If there are incorrect or corrupted Wi-Fi, VPN, or cellular settings, resetting the network settings can clear them and restore default configurations, allowing proper communication with Apple's servers. And the last method is to restart all settings. This action resets system preferences like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, notification, and other configuration to their factory defaults. If any setting is causing an issue with the account creation process, this can resolve it. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!